Marks show only one side of you. In this topic, we'll look at your real strengths, how you think, communicate, create, and solve problems, and your natural working style. Understanding these will help you choose careers that genuinely fit who you are, not just what your marks say. Think about your last report card. Those marks capture how you performed in a few exams on a few days. Your long-term career potential lies somewhere else. In your strengths, what you do naturally well, what you enjoy doing, and what you can keep improving with practice. When we say strengths, we don't just mean subjects where you score the highest. Strengths are things you can do well again and again without huge effort. They feel natural, almost like your default mode. You'll often notice that when you use a real strength, time passes quickly, and you feel more energized afterwards, not drained. Spotting these patterns in yourself is a big step toward making smarter career choices. Take problem solving, for example. If you enjoy puzzles, patterns, strategy games, or tricky math questions, you might be a natural problem solver. You like to ask why until things finally make sense. In the AI era, this mindset is extremely valuable. It fits careers like data scientist, engineer, financial analyst, or software developer, roles where you break big challenges into smaller steps and use logic, data, and tools to reach smart solutions. Now, consider the creator type. You tend to see the world differently and often ask, what if we tried it this way? You notice colors, layouts, and tiny details others miss. You enjoy turning feelings or ideas into visuals, stories, or experiences. In the career world, this creative energy can point toward paths like UX design, architecture, content creation, filmmaking, and many other roles where imagination shapes what people actually use and enjoy. Then there's the connector. This is someone who's naturally strong with people and words. You like explaining things so others understand, calming arguments, and sensing how someone is feeling, even when they don't say it directly. These strengths are powerful in careers like law, psychology, marketing, and public relations, fields where understanding people and communicating clearly are at the heart of the job. Another pattern is the organizer. This type is drawn to leadership and management. If you enjoy taking charge, making plans, and getting people moving toward a goal, this might be you. You probably like creating timetables, assigning tasks, and making sure nothing is forgotten. In the career world, these strengths can grow into roles like entrepreneur, project manager, event planner, or NGO coordinator, where your main job is turning ideas into real, organized action. Some of you are makers. You understand the world best when your hands are busy. You like opening things up, seeing how they work, fixing them, or building something new from parts. You're comfortable with tools, machines, or equipment, and you don't mind a bit of trial and error. This strength can lead to powerful careers, from robotics and surgery to flying planes, cooking professionally, or maintaining complex vehicles and systems. Notice a pattern here. Many successful professionals were never school toppers. They didn't wait for perfect marks. They paid attention to what they were naturally good at, and then built skills around that. Your real advantage is the alignment between your strengths, your interests, and the career you choose. So when you think about careers, don't only ask, what job do I want? Also ask, how do I like to work? Some people enjoy a flexible style, changing tasks often, experimenting, and not following a strict timetable. Others prefer a structured style, clear routines, checklists, and organized spaces. Neither is better, but each fits different careers and workplaces. Working style is about your natural pace, how much structure you like, and what environment helps you focus. Two people in the same role can succeed by working in totally different ways. Structured careers usually mean clear rules, fixed timings, and predictable routines. Many people feel secure in this setup. They know what's expected, and planning life outside work becomes easier. Flexible environments give more freedom, changing schedules, and often a mix of locations or projects. Some people feel alive and creative here, while others may find the uncertainty stressful. Notice your own reaction. Where would you feel calmer and more focused most days? Your comfort with structure versus flexibility is a big clue to which careers might suit you. There's another dimension: people time versus quiet time. Some careers are built around constant interaction, conversations, brainstorming, and reading others' emotions. If that energizes you, roles like HR, sales, event management, or many areas of healthcare may be a good fit. Success there depends on teamwork, persuasion, and relationship building. If you prefer deep concentration, fewer interruptions, and thinking in detail, you may fit better with writing, coding, research, or accounting. These depend more on focus, patience, and accuracy than on nonstop interaction. You can now use these ideas as a shortcut from who am I to where could I fit. If you enjoy logic, clear rules, and solving structured problems, streams like science and finance-oriented commerce may feel natural. If you love ideas, visuals, or open-ended work, you'll likely be happier exploring arts, design, or media. If you gain energy from people, conversations, and teamwork, humanities, management, or law can use those strengths daily. And if you like fixing, building, or doing things physically, vocational fields, technical work, and even surgery are strong matches. Let's quickly check your profile. First, choose your top two strengths. Are you more analytical, creative, social, organized, or hands-on? Pick the pair that feels most like you. Next, think about how you like to work. Do you feel safer with clear rules or energized when you have freedom and flexibility? Finally, notice your comfort zone, crowds or quiet. Do you enjoy team energy or focused solo time? Keep these three answers ready. We'll use them to match you with streams. Marks are a snapshot. They rise, fall, and sometimes completely change direction. Your strengths are different. They grow when you notice them and use them. So instead of asking, what career should I pick? Ask, what am I already good at, and how can I build from there? That question will keep you much closer to careers that truly fit you.